Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is ages. So friends, while solving any question, you have to read very carefully and you have to understand very carefully. And one thing is, after watching this video, if you really like it, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. So now share question number 1. The total ages of Ankit, Narendra and Surendra is 96 years. 5 years ago, the ratio of their age was 2:3:4. What is the present age of Ankit? So the total ages of Ankit, Narendra and Surendra. Ankit plus Narendra plus Surendra is 96 years, right? 5 years ago, it means we have to subtract every person 5 years, right? And ratio was 2:3:4. So minus 5 and minus 5 is equal to 15, right? Minus 15. So 5 years ago was 81 years. 237, 2x, 3x, 4x is 9x, and 9x is equal to 81. So x is equal to 81 by 9. Now x is equal to 9 9 is 81. Our target to find what is Ankit age at present. So Ankit age is 2x. 5 years ago, this is 5 years ago. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 5 years ago means we have to add 5 years, right? So plus 5. 8, 5, 3 and 2. So present age of Ankit is 23 years. It means option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now see once again. Ankit, Narendra and Surendra is equal to 96 years. 5 years ago, we have to subtract all person 5 years. Ratio was 2x, 3x and 4x is equal to 81. This is present and this is past, right? 2, 3, 4 is equal to 9. 4, 3, 7, 7 to 9. 9x is equal to 81 years. This is past years. So x is equal to 9. Our target to find what is the Ankit age of at present, but this is before 5 years, 18 years. So we have to add 5 years, right? So 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. Now move to question number 2. Next question. A person present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. After 8 years, he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. How old the mother at present? A person present age is 2/5. So suppose this is person and this is his mother. Person is 2/5 means person age is 2 and mother in ratio 5, right? 8 years hence, right? 8 years hence he will be 1/2 of the his mother. So suppose this is person and this is mother. If mother is 2, so half is 1. This is present and this is past. Present ratio is 2:5. So we have to add 8 years hence means suppose this is 2x and this is 5x. 2x plus 8 by 5x plus 8 is equal to past after 8 years will be 1/2. So 2 2 is 4x plus 16 is equal to 5x plus 8. 5x minus 4x is equal to x. And 16 minus 8 is just 8. So x is equal to 8. we need to know what is the mother age at present. So mother is 5x, right? Mother is 5x. 5x into 8 will be 5x into 8, just a 40 years, right? So mother age is 40 years. Friends, see here once again, person ratio is 2 and mother ratio is 5. Why? Because quantity, because person quantity is 2 and mother quantity is given 5, right? And past, mother is double of his person, right? So 2x plus 8 means 8 years hence. 5x plus 8 mother hence will be 1 by 2. So 2x into 2 it is 4x, 8 into 2 it is 16 is equal to 1 into 5 is 5x and 1 into 8 is 8. 5x minus 4x just x and 16 minus 8 is 8. We found x is equal to 8. Our target to find what is the mother age at present. So mother age at present 5x. So 5x into 8 just a 40 years. Mother age is 40 years. So friends, move to next question. Next question. 5 years ago, the ratio of the age of Omkar and Nitin was 8:7. 3 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 12:11. What is Nitin's age at present? So Omkar and in this question mention Omkar and Nitin. Omkar and Nitin. Present, past. First take past, present and future. 5 years ago means past. Age is to 7. Omkar is 8 and Nitin is 7. Present age is not given, so keep it x is to x, right? Future will be 12:11. Our target to find what is the Nitin age at present means this, right? So now see here friends, 5 years ago, suppose I am 30 years old, so 5 years ago I was 25. 3 years hence means I will be 33 years after 3 years, so plus 3, total difference is 5 and 3, 8 years, right? 5 years ago plus 3 years hence means total difference is 8, right? What is the difference between 8 and 12? 4. And what is the difference between 7 and 11? 4. So 4 denoted 8 years, right? 4 denoted 8 years. So 1 united will be 2, right? Suppose this is x, 4x, so x is equal to 2. Our target to find what is the Nitin age at present. 3 years hence is 11, so 11 into 2 will be 22 years, right? But this is not correct answer because this answer is 3 years hence, so we have to subtract 3 years, right? So 12 minus 3 is 9 and 1, so 19 years. Present age will be 19 years. We can check from here. Past 5 years ago ratio Nitin was 7. 7 into 2 will be 14. 14 5 years ago, so we have to 8. So 14 plus 9 it will be 19 years, right? Now see here once again, Omkar 8 and Nitin 7. Age is to 7. 5 years ago. Past, present we don't know, right? So keep it x, right? Future means 3 years hence will be 12:11. So friends, 4x difference is total past 5 and after 3. So total difference is 8. Total difference is 8 in years, but in ratio 8 and 12, what is the difference between 8 and 12? Only 4. So 4x is equal to 8, x is equal to 2. Our target to find what is the Nitin 8%. So this is 3 years hence. 11 into 2 is 22. 3 years hence means we have to now what is the age of Nitin 8%, right? So we have to subtract 3 years. So 22 minus 3 will be 19 years. So Nitin present age is 19 years. Okay, so now move to next question. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share with your friends who are preparing examination. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.